Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chili mayo. Mix 1 cup mayonnaise with 2 to 3 tablespoons chili paste or sriracha, then taste and adjust heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon lemon juice and a pinch of salt for balance. Chill for at least 15 minutes to let flavors meld. Use it immediately or store in the fridge for up to 1 week in a sealed container. In this video, I will explain how to make chili mayo. Gather 1 cup mayonnaise, 2 to 3 tablespoons chili paste or sriracha, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Optional additions include a teaspoon of honey for sweetness or 1 tablespoon finely chopped pickles for tang. Measure, combine, then taste and tweak until it matches your preference. This saves time and gives consistent results every batch. In this video, I will help you make chili mayo like a pro. Whisk ingredients in a medium bowl until fully emulsified and smooth, scraping the sides as needed. Start mild and add heat gradually to avoid overpowering the mayo. Small tweaks with lemon juice or honey transform the final flavor. Transfer to a clean jar, label if desired, and refrigerate to let flavors marry before serving on sandwiches or as a dip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.